Ready to finally spend that American Express gift card on the Xbox game you've been eyeing? First, power up your Xbox and navigate to the home screen using your controller. Move the cursor over to your profile icon located in the top left corner of the screen and press the A button to select it. A menu will appear on the screen. Scroll down using the pad or joystick until you find the settings option. Then again, press the A button. Within the settings menu, look for payment and billing and highlight it. It should be in the top selection towards the left. Select it with the A button. Now you'll be in the payment and billing section. You should see a screen with options related to your payments. Go ahead and select Add a Payment Method. On this screen, you will be given various options. Select credit or debit card. Keep in mind that even though it's a gift card, it is processed as a credit or debit card. Time to enter your American Express gift card details. Carefully input the card number, expiration date, and the CVV code found on the back of your card. Make sure you type everything correctly, or it may decline the payment. Next, you'll need to enter the billing address associated with the card. This is important for verification purposes if you didn't register an address when you received the gift card. You may need to visit the American Express gift card website and register an address to the card. Fill in all the required fields and click Save. Once you've completed all the fields, click Save. If everything is entered correctly, you should see a confirmation message saying payment method added. Your American Express gift card balance is now ready to be used for purchases on your Xbox account. Enjoy!